20 is 25% of a number. Can you find the number? Now these kind of twist in words do confuse students a lot, and these type of questions come in school exams a lot. But don't you worry. In today's lesson, we are going to simplify this. Hi everyone, my name is Shraddha. Welcome to Eazeemath, and in today's video, let's learn to find the whole number when I have or when we have a percentage of it. Now in the previous video, we learned that if I have a percentage, let's say I have to find 25% of 60, then I will simply use the formula, remove the percentage sign, divide 25 by 100 and times it by 60. Now I will not recommend to learn a new formula every time, although I can give one here. But every time learning a new formula is really very tedious. So let's understand the language of the problem and convert that into an expression. And that expression can be easily solved. Let's learn how to do it. 20 is 25% of a number. In the previous video, we learned that if I have to find the percentage of a number, I'll simply divide that by 100 and multiply by the number. Let's simplify this word problem into an expression which is easily solvable then. So the question says that 20 is, which means an equal to, is 25%. So in the previous lesson we learned to find the percentage of a number, I simply divide that by 100, convert into a fraction and times it by the original number. Now here I don't know the original number. Let me write the original number just as n. So 20 is 25% of n. Now if I multiply both the sides, the left hand side and the right hand side by 100, then this 100 gets cancelled off. I can write 100 times 20 is equals to 25 times n. Now I will divide both the sides by 25 so that the subject of my equation becomes n. Or I can also write it this side and write that the original number 25 and 25 gets cancelled is equals to 25 times 1 is 25, 25 times 4 is 100 and 20 times 4 is 80. My original number I get as 80. Instead of learning a new formula every time, I would suggest that you start learning to convert the word problem into an expression, or remember just one formula and change the subject of the expression to find variable. You learn just one formula and change the subject in that formula. Let's say if I have the formula that force is equals to mass into acceleration, I can also say that acceleration is equals to force upon m. I just have to learn this formula to be able to find either the mass, the acceleration or force. So if I change the subject of the formula, I can get the answers. So I have not used any new formula, though I can give one, but I have just changed the subject as n and I got my n as 80. Let's do a few more examples to understand this better. 15 is 30% of what number? Again, I'm going to use this word problem only to create my expression, which says 15 is 30% of a certain number. So I'll write the number as n. Now multiply both the sides by 100. This 100 gets cancelled. Shift this to left hand side, shift that to right hand side to make n as the subject. I will write 30 times n is equals to 15 times 100. Divide both the sides by 30. This gets 30 and 30 gets cancelled and becomes 1. 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. And 100 divided by 2 is 50. So my n or the original number is 50. 15 is 30% of 50. Easy. Example number 2. 45 is 75% of what number? Convert this word problem into an expression. 45 is 75% of means multiplication. I'll take the number as n. I'll multiply both the sides by 100. Now this 100 and 100 becomes 1. I'll shift this to left hand side to make n as a subject of the expression. 75 times n is equals to 100 times 45. Now I'll divide both the sides by 75 so that I'm only left with n on the left hand side to make n as a subject of the formula. Now 75 and 75 become 1. N is equals to, let's simplify this, 25 times 3 is 75, 25 times 4 is 100. I'll then divide 45 by 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 1, 3 5 is 15, 15 times 4 is 60. Hence, 45 is 75% of 60. So the original number here is 60. I hope you were able to understand these questions, but again, the learning would not be complete until you solve few questions yourselves. Here are a few questions for you. Pause the video and try solving these questions. But before you attempt to solve these questions, let me just give you a recap of how to convert these word problems into expressions. 12 is 20% of what number? So consider the number as n here. And you can mark this as is means is equals to and of means multiplication or times. So 12 is equals to 20%. You have to convert the 20% into a fraction. So you will divide by 100 of the number which you can consider n. Now you have to convert n as the subject of the formula and solve the question and find n. I hope you were able to solve these questions. Do mention your answers in the comments. I hope this video helped you in understanding, in finding the whole when a percentage of a number is given. Thanks for watching. Happy learning and wish you the best.